Umngeni-uThukela Water implements 19-hour shutdown in Durban. Umngeni-uThukela Water will implement a 19-hour maintenance shutdown at the Durban Heights water treatment works on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. The shutdown, which was postponed last week, is scheduled to start at 1 o'clock and end at 2000 hours on the same day. As previously reported, Umngeni-uThukela Water said it is implementing the shutdown to allow for the removal of a steel plate once installed on Aqueduct 2 to isolate the water flow while repairs are in progress. The shutdown would also include the installation of a double isolation facility to enable the contractor to continue working on the aqueduct in preparation for its recommissioning in December 2023. The entity said the planned maintenance forms part of its efforts to restore bulk water infrastructure following damages sustained during the April 2022 floods. Umngeni-uThukela Water is working closely with the eThekwini municipality's water and sanitation department to minimize the shutdown's impacts. Both organizations will constantly monitor water levels at the reservoirs during the shutdown so that they do not drop below the set points, Umngeni-uThukela Water spokesperson Sayabonga Mafumulo said. Some parts of Durban may experience a reduction in pressure while those in higher-lying areas may experience water interruption on Friday morning. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.